How to install Octane Render in Cinema 4D. So you gotta put in mind that some and most of this process isn't free. You're gonna need a license for what we're seeing right now, which is the Auto website, to be able to download the your Octane Render, and to be able to use it as a plugin for your Cinema 4D. But once you have that in mind, go to your preferred browser, search for the Auto website, and log into your account. If you don't have one, then create one, of course, and then verify it, and then just log into that account and then go over here, which is your downloads. In your downloads, you're going to be able to see this. You navigate to the DCC plugins and expand it, and make sure you're choosing Octane for Cinema 4D. Choose that option, and then you're going to go ahead and read their software license agreement and press on I accept, and then press on download. Once downloaded, you will most likely get a zip file. What you're going to do is get your newly downloaded file and right click on that, or extract it in any way you want. In our case, it should just turn into something like this. Once you open that up, it should just look something like this. What you're gonna do now is to look for the root of your Cinema 4D, which is usually going to be found in your Windows C program files. So go to your program files and then find anything that says Maxon Cinema 4D. And then you're gonna have to create a new folder that has a plugins as its name, or just name it plugins. And then you're gonna get your newly extracted Octane file into the plugins folder. So you could either copy it like so, press on copy, and then paste it on your new plugins folder, and then the newly copy pasted file, open that up, and you're gonna go ahead and delete the other CDL files, like these ones over here, and make sure the only one left is the one corresponding to your Cinema 4D, and it's usually the one that has the year on it, which is in our case going to be this one. So the other ones we can just go ahead and delete, and the Octane plugin should just automatically pop out over here. You can go ahead and test it out, but that is technically the process on how you can do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.